Let me ask you a question. How many times in your life have you let an opportunity slip through your fingers because you were too focused on what's familiar, what's safe, what's known? How many times have you watched from the sidelines as people around you made bold moves and reaped the rewards? I'm talking about life-changing, future-altering decisions. Right now, you might be staring at one of those moments. You've heard of Bitcoin, haven't you? Of course, you have. Bitcoin is the king of cryptocurrencies. It's the pioneer, the leader, the asset that started it all. When people think of cryptocurrency, they think of Bitcoin. But there's another name that's been buzzing lately, Shiba Inu. A joke? A meme? A flash in the pan? Or maybe something more? Something deeper? Something that could rival the greats? Today, we're going to ask a daring question. Should you forget about Bitcoin and buy Shiba Inu instead? Should you abandon the tried and true, the so-called gold standard of crypto, for a young, unpredictable upstart? It's a bold question, and only bold minds are willing to ask it. This is not about hype or getting rich quick. This is about understanding the power of choice, the strength of timing, and the ability to recognize a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Because make no mistake, these decisions define your financial future. By the end of this speech, you will not only understand the dynamics between Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, but you'll also be empowered to make an informed decision about your own investments. But first, you need to open your mind, break free from your preconceptions, and embrace the truth that sometimes the future doesn't belong to the titans of today, it belongs to the underdogs. Let's be honest, Bitcoin's days as the unstoppable giant are numbered. Don't get me wrong, Bitcoin was a revolutionary force. It gave us decentralized finance, changed how we think about money, and opened up a new world of possibilities. For over a decade, Bitcoin has been the king of the cryptocurrency world, and for many, it represents safety in a space filled with volatility. But here's the cold, hard truth. Bitcoin has become complacent. It's slow, it's expensive, and while its brand recognition is unparalleled, its technology is starting to show its age. Bitcoin is the digital version of gold, an excellent store of value, sure, but it's hardly the future of innovation anymore. While Bitcoin's market capitalization remains dominant, other cryptocurrencies have emerged that offer more utility, faster transaction times, and lower costs. Bitcoin's dominance is not forever, it's just the first step in a much larger journey. Now, you might be thinking, but Bitcoin is still number one. Why would I consider anything else? And that's exactly the point. Because Bitcoin is number one, everyone already has their eye on it. The real wealth doesn't come from investing in what everyone is already flocking to, it comes from finding the hidden gems, the undervalued assets, the future disruptors. Shiba Inu started as a meme coin, much like Dogecoin, but don't let its playful origins fool you. Shiba Inu has evolved. It's no longer just a joke, it's building real utility with its own decentralized exchange, Shiba Swap, and the community behind it is massive and growing. It's gaining traction, and the price movement has been nothing short of explosive. Shiba Inu represents what Bitcoin used to be, an underdog, an asset dismissed by the mainstream, but with the potential to surprise everyone. Bitcoin's dominance is fading, and new players are rising to take its place. Shiba Inu could be one of those players. Let me tell you something that many people overlook. In the cryptocurrency world, community is everything. Yes, technology and utility matter, but without a strong, dedicated community behind it, a cryptocurrency is just another speculative asset. Now, if you've been following Shiba Inu even remotely, you know that the Shiba community is one of the most passionate, engaged, and relentless communities in the crypto space. They don't just believe in the coin, they are driving it forward. They are pushing for it to be listed on more exchanges, integrating it into new platforms, and building an entire ecosystem around it. The Shiba Inu movement is not just about price speculation, it's about belief, about the desire to see this underdog rise to greatness. What did Bitcoin have in its early days? A community of tech enthusiasts and visionaries who believed in the future of decentralized finance. That same spirit is alive and well in the Shiba Inu community today. The momentum behind this coin isn't just hype, it's real. People are adopting it, using it, and building around it. And as the ecosystem grows, so does the value of the coin. Momentum matters. And in the cryptocurrency space, momentum can be the difference between a coin that fades into obscurity and one that skyrockets to unprecedented levels. Think about it, every successful cryptocurrency that has achieved massive gains started with a small, tight-knit community that believed in its potential before the mainstream even noticed. That's where Shiba Inu is today. It's building its base, growing its reach, and attracting the kind of attention that can propel it into the big leagues. Are you going to wait until everyone else has piled in, or are you going to recognize this opportunity now, while it's still early? Because momentum waits for no one. Now, let's talk numbers. You want to make money, don't you? You want to see real returns on your investment. Here's where things get interesting. Bitcoin, at its current stage, is already $1 trillion asset. Yes, it's still possible for Bitcoin to grow, but let's be real, the days of Bitcoin delivering 100x gains are over. The bigger an asset gets, the harder it is to grow at exponential rates. That's not the case for Shiba Inu. Right now, Shiba Inu is still in its early stages. It's not even close to the market cap of Bitcoin, which means it has room to grow. A lot of room. The potential for exponential gains with Shiba Inu is massive, far greater than what you could expect from Bitcoin at this point. Consider this, if Shiba Inu manages to capture even a fraction of the market that Bitcoin holds, the returns could be life-changing. We're talking about the kind of growth that turns small investments into substantial wealth. Yes, there's risk involved, but with that risk comes the potential for incredible rewards. High risk, high reward, that's the nature of the game. And don't think that Shiba Inu's price is too low to make a difference. Low price doesn't mean low value. It means the potential for higher returns. People who dismissed Bitcoin in its early days missed out on the most significant financial revolution of the last decade. Don't make that mistake again. Shiba Inu represents the kind of opportunity that only comes around once in a while. You can either seize it now, or look back years from now and wonder why you didn't take action when you had the chance. While many people still see Shiba Inu as a meme coin, what they often miss is the rapidly growing Shiba Inu ecosystem. Shiba Inu isn't just a coin, it's becoming a full-fledged financial ecosystem with Shiba Swap, NFTs, and plans for more decentralized finance, DeFi, products that integrate Shiba Inu into real-world applications. Shiba Swap is one of the most significant elements of this ecosystem, allowing users to stake, swap, and earn rewards directly within the platform. This decentralized exchange is a major step toward establishing Shiba Inu as more than just a speculative investment, it's becoming a functional asset with real-world utility. As the ecosystem grows, so too will the demand for Shiba Inu tokens, driving up their value. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is still primarily a store of value. Its utility is limited, and while that worked in the early days of cryptocurrency, the market is evolving. Cryptocurrencies that can adapt to new financial applications and use cases will be the ones that thrive in the future. Shiba Inu is positioning itself to be one of those cryptocurrencies. It's not just a coin for buying and holding, it's a gateway into a larger decentralized financial system. And as more projects and platforms start to integrate with Shiba Inu, its value will continue to grow. If you're looking for a cryptocurrency that's adapting to the future, Shiba Inu might just be the better bet. Let's talk accessibility. One of the most appealing aspects of Shiba Inu is its accessibility. With its low price per token, even small investors can get in on the action. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has become somewhat out of reach for the average investor. With one Bitcoin costing tens of thousands of dollars, it's simply not as approachable as it once was. Shiba Inu allows people to enter the cryptocurrency space with just a few dollars. It's a gateway for newcomers, a way for them to get involved without feeling like they've missed out on the early days of Bitcoin or Ethereum. This accessibility is part of what makes Shiba Inu so attractive. It invites everyone in, creating a broader base of investors who believe in its potential. This accessibility leads to another key factor: speculative appeal. People are drawn to the idea of buying low and watching their investment skyrocket. That dream is what fueled Bitcoin's early rise, and it's the same dream that's driving interest in Shiba Inu today. Everyone wants to be part of the next big thing, and Shiba Inu, with its low entry point and explosive price action, fits that narrative perfectly. But here's the critical question: are you going to stand on the sidelines, or are you going to take the leap? So, should you forget about Bitcoin and buy Shiba Inu instead? That decision is up to you. But understand this: the financial landscape is shifting. Bitcoin, while still dominant, is no longer the only player in the game. New cryptocurrencies, like Shiba Inu, are emerging with the potential to reshape the future of decentralized finance. Bitcoin is the past, Shiba Inu could be the future. It has the momentum, the community, and the potential for exponential growth that Bitcoin can no longer offer. But none of that matters if you don't take action. The opportunity is here, now, right in front of you. Will you seize it, or will you let it pass you by? The choice is yours. Don't be the person who looks back and says, I could have invested in Shiba Inu when it was still rising, but I didn't. Be the person who recognized the opportunity, took action, and reaped the rewards. The future belongs to those who are willing to make bold moves. Are you one of them? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. Sharing this video with your friends and family helps me reach even more people. So, hit that share button and let's spread the word together. Thanks for watching.